Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to Shreyan Shravya's Kitchen. So today, let's prepare a very simple yet timeless breakfast or a snack which is none other than garlic bread. So let's move to its ingredients. So these are the ingredients we need. Let's move to it one by one. So first we may require 2 ounces of butter. Then we may require some chopped coriander leaves. Then we may require our main ingredient, that is garlic. Then we may require some chili flakes. And then we may require our bread. Here I have taken brown bread. You can also take any normal bread. And then we may require some mozzarella cheese. So let's begin. First, let's take our butter and add our garlic onto it, then our coriander leaves, and then our chili flakes. Now, let's mix it well. Make sure that everything combines properly. Create it into a paste-like form. Now, let's take our bread and apply our garlic butter over the bread. Make sure to spread it evenly over the bread. So make sure you take the room temperature butter so that you can spread it. So continue this process for all the other breads. Keep spreading it evenly at every corners. Now, after spreading the garlic butter over the bread, we can take our mozzarella cheese and add it over the bread. More the amount of cheese, more tastier will your garlic bread turn out. Now, let's add some oregano over our bread for seasoning. Microwave it about 2 minutes and your garlic bread is ready. Craving something warm, buttery, and absolutely delicious? Try this homemade garlic bread recipe. It's crispy on the outside and soft in the inside, and packed with rich garlic flavor, whether you're serving it with pasta, soup, or enjoying it as a snack. Do enjoy this recipe, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye!